Now, speaking about automation, one of the most impressive use cases is Graebert's unique BIM-to-DWG drawings automation. For several years now, ARES Commander has enabled the automated generation of DWG drawings, floor plans, sections and elevations from Revit and IFC models. With the introduction of the online automation in ARES Kudo last year, and now its integration into ARES Commander, this workflow becomes more scalable, more flexible, and more connected to your BIM ecosystems. Let's start with our top 5 with the multidiscipline BIM model. ARES Commander now manages architectural, structural, and MEP models as a single integrated project. Instead of generating separate and potentially redundant drawings for each discipline, the system avoids duplicates and consolidates outputs. You can also choose which disciplines to include in your generated drawings. For example, combining architecture and structure, or only architecture and MEP. This aligns more closely with real BIM coordination workflows and improves clarity in the resulting DWG documentation. Number 2, Revit 2026 support. Compatibility is another key aspect. ARES Commander and ARES Kudo now support Revit files up to version 2026, covering a wide range of project versions from 2011 to 2026. Number 3, integration with Autodesk Forma. ARES Commander and ARES Kudo can now connect directly with Autodesk Forma Data Management. That is the new name for the Autodesk Construction Cloud. This allows you to access Revit models stored in the Autodesk Cloud and to save the drawings automated and enriched by the ARES users in the same place. This creates a continuous workflow between BIM data hosted in the Autodesk Cloud and DWG production in ARES. Number 4, online BIM automation now directly inside ARES Commander. A major evolution this year is the integration of the online automation directly into ARES Commander. Previously available in ARES Kudo, the BIM-to-DWG automation can now be executed on the cloud server while being triggered from the desktop. This means you can generate drawings, update drawings from the BIM model, or extract BIM data to a spreadsheet without using local computing resources. In addition, you can schedule this task or run them on a recurring basis, for example overnight or on weekends, bringing more flexibility to how projects are processed. And number 5, the BIM drawing tools now available in ARES Kudo. Finally, BIM workflows are now extended to the web. ARES Kudo introduces BIM-specific tools through a dedicated ribbon, allowing you to work with automatically generated drawings directly in your browser. You can add dimensions and labels to your drawings, automated from the BIM model, using the same features already available in ARES Commander. So that's it for the top 5 new features. If you have never seen our BIM drawings automation features, I warmly invite you to watch our videos on YouTube or the corresponding deep dive that will follow shortly.